Namaste everyone. In this video we shall solve a question from surface areas and volumes which was asked in 2023 CBSE board exam paper. This is a question from mathematics standard paper. So in this question there is a wooden article which is made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. The figure is shown here. This figure is also given as a part of the question. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm, let us represent the height of the cylinder using letter H, and it is 10 cm, and its base is of radius 3.5 cm. Here you can observe the radius of base of the cylinder is equal to radius of the hemisphere. So the radius of the hemisphere is also equal to 3.5 cm. We need to find the total surface area of the article. So total surface area of the article total surface area of the wooden article will be equal to, now how do we know? Should we consider the CSA or the TSA, or should we consider CSA in one case or TSA in another case? Is, imagine that you are given this wooden article and you are asked to paint this wooden article. Which all surfaces it is possible for you to paint is what you have to think. Definitely it is possible to paint the curved surface of this cylinder, and it is possible to paint the curved surface area of the two hemispheres. Remember, here this part is removed and even this part is removed because they say this wooden article is formed by scooping out hemisphere from both the ends of the cylinder. So that's why we need to take into account the CSA of the hemisphere, not the TSA of the hemisphere. And don't be under the impression that total surface area of the article is equal to TS of the cylinder plus TSA of the hemisphere. That is also wrong. This simple addition can be used while calculating the volume, but here as far as total surface areas of the article is concerned, we cannot simply add the TSA of the cylinder and TSA of the hemisphere. Anyways, coming back to this problem, TSA of the article will be equal to CSA of the cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Because these are the surfaces you will be able to paint if you are given this wooden article for painting. Now CSA of the cylinder will be 2 pi RH plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Let's take common from these two terms. I can take 2 pi R common. I will be left with H plus 2R. H plus 2R. Now let us substitute the values here. 2 into the value of pi, unless stated otherwise, should be 22/7, or as you can see, radius is 3.5 centimeter. It is divisible by 7. So what we can do, we can take the value of pi as 22/7 into R is 3.5 centimeter. H value is 10 plus 2 into R value is 3.5 centimeter. So here itself we can cancel 0, 7 ones are 7, 0.5. 2 into 0.5 will be 1. So I'll just be left with 22 here. 22 into 1, which I'm writing as 22. 10 plus 2 into 3.5 will be 7. So 22 into 10 plus 7 is 17. So you're left with 22 into 17. So you can multiply 22 by 17. So this is 14, 1. 14 again, 154 plus 22. So 4, 7, 3. So the answer is 374 centimeter square. Because the height and radius are both in centimeters, the area or the total surface area of the article will be in centimeter square. So what is the TSA of the wooden article? TSA of the wooden article is 374 centimeter square. We have solved this problem completely. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you again.